Hi, Ken Boy with Accounting Accidentally. This video is called A Quarterback Controversy and High Insurance Costs. UNLV quarterback controversy. So we had a very interesting thing happen. A quarterback of the University of Nevada, Las Vegas football team quit after the team was 3-0. They were undefeated because of a disagreement over a $100,000 NIL, name, image, and likeness payment that he was expecting. So as the story went, an assistant coach offered him the $100,000 NIL, which is allowed in college football now, if he would transfer to UNLV. The head coach said he didn't agree to it. And what's important is it says here there was no written contract ever in place. So the quarterback was able to walk away from the team and preserve his final year of eligibility and have the ability to play elsewhere because he'd only played 3 games. In a similar way, your insurance contracts are written agreement, and there are components of insurance that are changing with everything that's going on in the economy right now. Insurance premiums remain high. So there's an article in the Wall Street Journal I thought was interesting. Sorry, your insurance bill probably isn't coming down this much. Here's why. So here are some of the factors that are causing insurance premiums to remain high. The first is the good news, and the fact that it's controlling it a little bit is inflation, which is defined as the general increase in overall prices over time. Think about a grocery cart of groceries, common groceries you buy every week. We price that basket. We price it 3 months later, and the change is what we use to measure inflation. So slowing inflation recently has lowered the cost for some insurance companies. For example, that claim that requires a car repair, maybe that car repair isn't increasing with inflation as much. That's helping to control costs. However, there are other factors that are causing costs to increase. Where do the claims occur? There's a trend that more people are moving south and west into areas that are more hurricane prone. More claims in hurricane areas increase overall costs. As I record this video, we just had a huge hurricane that moved through the southeast in October of 2024. Home building materials. This one I hadn't thought of. It is becoming more costly to repair homes because of some of the building materials that are used in homes. And the example that was used was solar panels. Very expensive to maintain and repair. As people use more solar panels, it becomes more expensive to repair homes, and therefore insurance premiums remain high. And I'm very big on this, that understanding insurance premiums and the insurance industry as a whole, this is a math problem. The insurance industry hires hundreds of math majors to measure probability. This is what actuaries do. Many of them work for insurance companies, and they're measuring the probability that someone will die who has life insurance, someone will be injured in a car accident for auto insurance, that the likelihood that a home will be damaged for home insurance. For example, why is car insurance more expensive for drivers under 25? The math models show they have more accidents. So that's something to keep in mind. And also, in my view, there's no such thing as cheap insurance. We see Geico, Progressive, and other companies, Liberty Insurance, spending millions on ads on low-cost insurance because this is a math problem. Lower-cost insurance simply provides less coverage and higher deductibles. So, in my view, there's no such thing as cheap insurance. Consumers seem to be frustrated with the high cost of everything, including insurance. But before you go out and buy a cheaper, less expensive insurance policy, make sure you meet with an insurance agent to understand the premiums and deductibles and the coverage that you're going to receive.